cooking.
What's up, you guys? It's Golden Baby here with a video, and I rented out an Airbnb for my birthday, and I wanted to show you guys all around. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this table. Look at this dining table. It is so cute. I love how they just set up the whole place with the yellow, the tan, beige, and then we have the living room area. I love the L-shaped sofa. This big, I don't know, like 65, 70-inch TV. The elephant, they had some coasters and stuff. And then after that, we have this end table at the end of the sofa. Then we have these stools. It's kind of dark. Okay, here. You also have lighting in the ceiling. And look at this beautiful counter. It's my favorite part. This is how I want my apartment to look, or even my house. We have the ice box. The season that she needs to learn how to use, you know. Then we're gonna come to this bathroom. This bathroom is huge. I love showers like this where you can put your soap and stuff like that. And I also love that they had this with it as well if you needed it. Then this beautiful plant. And then we're gonna head over to the first bedroom. Oh, they're gonna lighten up in here.
No, I do. It just takes a minute to adjust.
Oh, it's probably one of those dim, bright, dim lights. But this is a bunk bed. It actually is a queen, 2 queens, and then the closet. I love the pictures that they have up in here as well. Like you can look at these this one right here. So cute. And then this one, this is another sitting area. And then they have the washer and dryer over there, but we're not gonna show that. I love the desk. And then we're gonna head out to the patio. So dope. I love the chairs. And then they also have a grill so they can cook. And they also put some charcoal in the back, in the dryer and stuff for us if you wanted to do a barbecue. But this is a very spacious backyard, real dope. They also have these it's called Jenga, the big giant Jenga. 9 people were able to stay here. It was only 5 of us. And then I love that they have the remote to actually turn on everything. It's not working? Oh, there you go. What do I? Okay. So this is the second bedroom. I love the headboard.
The remote do not work.
Huh?
The remote do not work.
It does.
It's there for sure.
I wish I recorded this before everything, but hey. Then that's it. Always stay humble and kind. I love that. That's dope. But now we're gonna head over to the star of the show. I'm over here to talk. The show, which is the Masters. Double closets. They have the barnyard doors right here. Open and close. I would not recommend I wouldn't recommend one for the bathroom because if you have to take a dump, that junk is coming out. That's anyway. Then they have this mirror. And then I love this plant right here. I want one. Maybe she can give me one.
I don't know who she is.
And then the bathroom. Walk in. Oh, let me not put my shoes up in there. But I love the rugs that they put up in here, the vanity and all that. Like, they even came with a first aid kit. So nice of them. Even a hair dryer, blow dryer, and a lot of towels and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the bathroom. This is the room I was staying in, and I love this area. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini house tour. And Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, you guys. Until next time. See you. And I forgot to show you guys this. My sister beat me in this. Yeah, she did. And then the air hockey. And then they had the darts as well. And then the R and a TV up in here. So you can also listen to music, air conditioning, so you can actually be warm up in here. And look at the little lights, cheers with the little eye. But yeah. Okay, now that's officially the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm definitely gonna book this place again because it was definitely amazing just to be here. I wish I had more time here, but it is what it is. Until next time.